everyone. Let me wish you first of all a very happy Janmashtami. My dear friends, we all know that Lord Krishna has given us so many teachings. If we follow them, we can have the solution of all our problems. So let's discuss few of them in this session. First teaching, Lord Krishna told us that we should not share our secret with anybody. We should keep our secret to ourselves. Even he told us that even with our friends, we should not share our secrets. Second teaching is that he told us that we should not copy others, because every life has different problems and every life has different circumstances, so we should not copy others. We should try to find about ourselves whatever unique we are having in us and whatever unique way we can have the answers of our problems. Third is, he told us that the failure and the success we should not mind. If we fail, doesn't matter. He told us that the failure is only the stepping stone and it adds to our experience. And when we actually fail is the time when we stop putting effort to improve ourselves for the next opportunity. Then that time we actually fails. So he told us that success and failure doesn't matter. Third is, he told us that we should help others without any selfish motive. We should keep on helping others without any selfish motive. It means that others, when we help others in their problems, when we have any problem, they can help and they will definitely help us also. So he told us and shown us path that we should always give the helping hand to others. Next teaching, Lord Krishna has taught us that we should be optimistic. He told us we should not be superstitious. He told us that it's our thoughts and the way we act, whatever thinking we have in our mind, which matters. The same situation, if two different people, they respond differently, and this will create their destiny for sure differently. So Lord Krishna wanted to tell us that circumstances, same circumstances, if happens to 3 or 4 different people, they all can react differently, and whatever actions they will do, depending upon that, their destiny will happen, good or bad. Next teaching, Lord Krishna told us that we should recognize who is our own. I mean to say, he told us that we should have the good company and we should think that these people are our own, not anybody else. The people, he told us, how can we recognize they are our own? Because they encourage you, they inspire you, they help you to follow the right path, and they also criticize you if you are following the wrong path. So those friends are your own. So the company always matter. As they also say that a person's personality is the sum total of his 5 or 4 friends. So Lord Krishna also told us how to recognize who is our own. Next, Lord Krishna teaching is that he told us that we should have the profession of our choice. He told us that successful people and the people who are not successful, the difference between that is they do the work of their choice. Hence, they don't get tired and they day and night want to do that work and they feel happy. And hence, Lord Krishna told us that we should do the work of our interest. Then, one more thing, Lord Krishna taught us about the value of the time. He told us that thinking or repeating our past in our mind and planning for the future has nothing to do with our destiny. He told us the power of now and the present moment. We should utilize the present moment. We should work at that time what moment is in our hand. Keep on thinking about past and keep on planning about future has nothing to do with our lives. Next, he told us that the value of time, and he also one more thing he told us that we should talk less. God has given us 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils and sense organs, all the 5 sense organs, the whole body and 1 tongue. So my dear friends, the reason behind God giving us 1 tongue is if we should talk less, my dear friends. So because most of the problems in this whole universe occurs because of our tongue. Our tongue can bring so many friends and our tongue can make the whole world our enemy. So my dear friends, Lord Krishna also told us that we should talk less and whatever we talk, we should think before we talk. Next, one teaching is that Lord Krishna told us that the parents should not interfere in the matters of their children. Once they are grown up, he told us that sending the children away or at far place is good, because that's how your kids can make the decision, they can face the world by themselves. My dear friends, these were the few of the teachings which Lord